Hey there. So we have a problem on our hands. We've imported a bunch of .csv files into a list file, each representing different types of crimes aggregated by year and location. Our goal is to combine all the files for the same year, 2015, 2019, and 2022, into separate data frames and perform a full join based on a common column. This way, we'll end up with 3 data frames, each representing a different year. Now, onto the solution. First, we set up some test files and create the features list. Then, we read these files into DFs and create a years vector to identify the corresponding year for each entry in DFs. Next, we split DFs by years to get SPL. For each split component, we perform a merge using reduce and merge functions based on the time column, combining the data frames into L. The extra-L function helps us visualize the structure of the resulting data frames. Continuing with the solution we've been following, we end up with 3 data frames, one for 2015, one for 2019, and one for 2022. Each data frame contains various observations and variables related to different crimes aggregated by location. This process allows us to analyze and compare the data more effectively, gaining insights into the trends and patterns of criminal activities over the years. In summary, we successfully tackled the problem of combining and analyzing multiple .csv files representing crime data for different years. By following a systematic approach of reading, splitting, and merging the data, we were able to create 3 distinct data frames for each year. I hope you found this information useful and insightful. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more content.